Now, dozens of travelers using the Narok Mai Mahiu road spent the night on the road after the road was blocked by sand and soil following heavy rains. The blockage, which rendered the road impassable, led to a traffic jam stretching over 10 kilometers. Heavy rains pounded different parts of the country overnight, leaving a trail of destruction.
From the capital city, Suswa, Thika to Isiolo, heavy rains continue to wreak havoc. The Narok Mai Mahiu road was rendered impassable near the Suswa shopping center. The road was blocked by soil and sand washed down from nearby hills.
Tunaona barabara inakaa kama shamba. Hata tunaona heri hata ipandwe miti tu.
Vehicles got stuck. Some were nearly buried in the mud. Since 6 p.m. Monday to mid-morning Tuesday, travelers were stuck here.
Kutoka Isimbani. Nilisafiri jana, nikafika hapa muda wa saa 4 jioni. Kwa nimebeba ng'ombe, kwa nichinje leo asubuhi.
Tumeanza kusafiri kutoka jana Kisii. Tulipanda gari mashpoa kuanzia saa 12. Tumefika mahali hapa, barabara imeharibika, hatujasaidika.
By early afternoon, some travelers were still taking a snooze as efforts were made to clear the road.
Sasa tunaomba serikali kama itawezekana ichenge hii barabara iende juu, alafu maji ikikuja ipite chini.
In Nairobi, Buruburu Phase 5 extension, residents were marooned in their own houses following overnight rains.
You know, you wake up in the morning, come downstairs, and all you meet is water.
No efforts would keep the waters away. Residents were left counting their losses, with burst sewers raising new fears.
Our fear is if there will be an outbreak of waterborne diseases.
Still in Nairobi, residents of Honey Circle apartments were also experiencing the effects of the floodwaters firsthand. In Isiolo, residents were facing the same predicament following heavy rains. Their houses were flooded, their property destroyed.
Tangu kusaliwa kwangu maana nimesaliwa hapa na mpaka sasa sijaiona maji kama hii.
In Thika, roads were rendered impassable. With the weatherman warning that the rains will continue, residents of different parts of the country may continue to suffer the effects of heavy rains. Rita Tinina, KTN News.
So